Hello, I'm Emily and I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful scalloped buttercream cake. All you need is an icing bag, a frosting tip with a round hole, an offset spatula, and some paper towels. If you have a cake turntable, that will make it a lot easier, but it's not essential. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to build our cake. If you're new to cakes, check out my tutorials on how to bake a cake and how to build a cake. We're stacking the layers of cake with a layer of buttercream frosting between each one, and then we're going to do a crumb coat over the top. The crumb coat is super important. It's a really thin layer of frosting that goes all over the cake and pulls off any crumbs that are going to come off the cake. That means that when you do the decorations, the crumbs are already stuck to the frosting and they won't go into your decorations. The crumb coat really doesn't need to be neat. You can see mine is super messy. My cake is on a cardboard disc, which I'm going to trim so that it's invisible. I'm going to put it on a bigger board so that when I carry the cake I have something to hold on to. Now for the fun part. We're going to decorate our cake. I'm going to do mine in different shades of blue so that it looks like the ocean. You can tint the frosting using gel colours or liquid colours. I really recommend gels because the liquid colours tend to change the consistency of the frosting and make it too liquidy. Hold the piping bag with the tip against the cake and squeeze out a dot of frosting. Now grab your offset spatula and touch the tip of the spatula to the dot and pull it sideways across the cake. Now you're just going to repeat this all the way around your cake. You're going to squeeze a dot and then swipe it with the spatula. Squeeze, swipe. But what's really important is that your spatula stays perfectly clean. If it has frosting on it, it's not going to leave a clean swipe. So each time you use it, just wipe it on the paper towel. You can really play around with this technique and have fun with it. It doesn't have to be blue. You could do every row a different colour, you could do every dot a different colour, or you could do the whole cake one colour and it will look really classy and elegant. The really nice thing about this cake is it's so easy to make. You can see what I'm doing, it's super straightforward, you can't really go wrong. But at the end of it, you have a cake that looks really impressive and it looks like you took a ton of time and that you're really skillful. When you finish the sides of the cake, you're going to follow exactly the same technique on the top. You can leave the cake as it is and it will look gorgeous, or if you have a cake topper of some sort, you can stick it on top. I'm going to make a whale really quickly using fondant, and I'm going to put that on top of the cake. And there you have it, a beautiful scalloped buttercream cake that looks really impressive but was secretly super simple to make. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cake tutorials and connect with me on social media.